Hello everyone, welcome back to the part 2 of the video on Indian financial market. So this is a part 2 of the economics class on Indian financial market. So I've already completed up to question number 5. Now question number 6 guru. So before I start my class, I would like to announce that there's mock test for combined technical general studies, and if you're interested you can register for your exam. And these are some of the questions that was made in the last mock test, so you can check it out. So for more information you can contact in the WhatsApp number. So let us start with the class. So for number 6, when was the Bombay Stock Exchange set up? So Bombay Stock Exchange was set up in 1875. It is one of the oldest stock exchange in Asia. So stock exchange के जुगले तो एक जगह है where इधु company ले share दो buy and sell करे. So the history of the stock market goes back to the end of the 18th century when long-term negotiation securities were first issued. In 1850, the Companies Act was introduced for the first time, bringing in the feature of limited liability and generating investors' interest in corporate securities. The first stock exchange to 1875 kuise aru do tela nam to the Native Share and Stockbrokers Association in Bombay aru dike BSE made Bombay Stock Exchange. It is next to Ahmedabad 1894, Calcutta 1908 aru Madras 1937 de establish kuise. Aru idu stock exchange kan kun ba manage kori da SEBI manage kore. SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India. So which of the question number 7, which of the following investors agencies can purchase Government of India security? That is Government of India la security to kun that is Reserve Bank of India, individuals or financial institutions. So government security to they are issued by the central government or the state government, or it acknowledges the government's debt obligation. So securities money it is purchased in such a way that it do like secure as a key government la 100 and it can be both it government secure GSEC mate or both central government or state government be state government kino pare, state government hat pa bhi kino pare, to kun ba kino pare. That is the Reserve Bank of India, the individuals or financial institutions. So the answer is itu tinda bhi kino paro. That is the answer is M1, 2 and 3. That is option number B. So let's learn about that is GSEC, that is government security. A government security is a tradable instrument issued by the central government or the state government. So if you look at government security, so an example is this. So government security though, there are many types. There is treasury bills, cash management bills, and dated GSECs, long-term money market instruments, and short development loans. That is idu government by issue korala security. Although many types of treasury bills cash management bills dated, that is long-term government securities, and short development loans. So the definition a government security is a tradable instrument issued by the central government or the state government or acknowledges government's debt obligation. Such securities are short term, usually treasury bills with original maturity of less than 1 year, and long term though more than 10 years. In India, central government issues both treasury bills or bonds or dated securities, while state government issues only bonds or dated security. That is treasury bills to central government bokore are edige state development loans bi koi ar takan risk free ase eto ne takange risk free gilt edge instruments bi mate aro GSECs are issued through auctions conducted by RBI. So let us go to the next question. Sensex. So Sensex is a popular index of Bombay Stock Exchange. It is measured on the basis of how many blue chip company listed in BSE. So here's the answer. So first of all, Sensex it is Sensex the companies list of companies ekta thako means basically ekta group of companies thako Sensex the ekta group of companies thako udede like for example Wipro, aro Tata, right, Reliance, inga company alak Adani idon sob. So idon sob to idu Sensex te tako. So idu company kiman milai na idu Sensex to blue chip company kiman ase ko. So it is how much? 30. So let us study about the Sensex. That is Sensex. That is Sensex. The full form first of all is that is sensitive index. Is a free float weight market weighting stock market index of 30 established and financially sound companies listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange. Or do 1986 introduced question. Or the Sensex is a benchmark index with wide acceptance among individuals, investors, institutional investors, foreign investors, and fund management. Or objectives to measure market movement, benchmark of fund performance, and index based derivatives product. Or blue chip company they are those they refer to equity shares of companies with larger market capitalization. These companies have entrenched market operation running for many years. That is, for example, Tata Kanishna also blue chip means long term to leaders. So next question is this. Question number 9. With reference to the financial market, consider the following statement. The money market provides non-inflationary source of finance to the government, and the capital market deals with lending and borrowing transactions of over 1 year maturity. So Indian financial market to duita ase, ekta to money market ase, ekta financial market ase. So idu taila function ke ase, that is money market ba non-inflationary source of finance the government ke kareka ase. And number 2, the capital market, that is bonds, securities for more than 1 year maturity kane provide kore. So the answer is both 1 and 2. So let us study about the functions. That is financial market te duita segment kuna ase. Money market, that is short term funds ase, that is paisa kan cash kan eron ase. Capital market, that is bonds, securities idon sab to long term ase. They are long term and medium term funds ase. So itu duita function do under financial market ase. The last question is this. In the parlance of financial investment, the term beer denotes it. So stock exchange te duita ase. To ekta to beer ase, beer, or ekta to bull ase. There. So beer and bull. To beer deke asugule to kitia ekta stock market ekta. For example, let us take an example of the Lok Sabha election. Say, so Lok Sabha election. This time Lok Sabha election to bishi Karawa Kiliche and the BJP is leading. So a company called Adani. So Adani to directly indirectly related to BJP. So if the BJP wins, itu BJP jidishgulo to tala Adani la tala word to, that is tala stock value to uthi jao. And if it loses, tala value to nami jao. So let's take a hypothetical question. Let's take a hypothetical situation that BJP hari jaise. So BJP is losing in real term to GD, but just say that BJP hari asa. Itu damde Adani la stock to nami jao because the confidence in this company is losing. So itu damde itu ke koi manon itu Adani la stock to bigger kora shuru jao. So this situation is also known as beer. It does. Bujija. The next situation, let us see that another hypothetical situation that BJP is winning the elections. So BJP jidishule Adani la stocks to uthiwo. Adu tamde manokan aste kina shuru because tala value to aste itu uthi jukle to like to paisa to 50 rupees per share de kini shukle to all of it will rise to rupees 5,000. So it shows that tuila tuikina do utheza. So this situation is also known as bull. It does price othadam the bull ose or price namadam the bigger gorda idike beer made. So The question is bear money case, that is an investor who feels that the price is going to fall. So question is A, that is an investor who feels that the price of an particular security is going to fall, the bears. So I hope you got this. Let us study about the bear and bull. So bear. A bear is a speculator who sells short in anticipation of fall of later prices to fall to buy them back and thus make a profit. Those are bear market. A bear market, for example, Adani stocks in the general elections, the stocks to BJP haria, so the stocks to nami jaw, as we saw in the elections. So they do not have trust in the company, so they'll start selling the stocks. So this is known as a bear market. This is a bear market refers to a market where share prices are continuously declining. This its downward trend makes investor believe that the trend will continue and in turn perpetuates the downward spiral. That is, it is considered riskier to invest in a bear market as many equities lose value. Thus, most investors withdraw their money from the market. During a bear market, the economy slows down and unemployment rises as companies begin laying off workers. Next, bull. A bull is a market. It refers to a market that experiences a sustained increase in market share. That is, for example, BJP GD that is Adani stocks to utibu aste rise grow. The bull market, and it ensures investors that the uptrend will continue over the long term. It signifies the country's economy is strong and employment level are high. So, bear and bull. I hope you understood this. The debt instrument security represents a contract whereby one party lends money to another on predetermined terms with regard to rate and periodicity of interest, repayment of principal amount by borrower to the lender. That is basically loan. There is not debt instrument. Or bond it is a financial security issued by borrower to avail long-term loans. That is long-term loans karne agreement sign kore the bond koi. Equity market to basically ekta company la share kina nisna je. For example, to Adani la you are buying Adani stocks from share of rupees. Now though it is rupees, say 1000 rupees per share. That means 100% la Adani la share you are buying 0.01% of the company. Equity market. So the basic definition is what? In equity, also known as the shares or scrips, it is a basic building block of a company. A company ownership determined on the basis of its shareholding. So, with this, the video on financial market has been completed. Next class, we will be doing a video on the tax industry. So, if you are interested in the mock test, the link is provided in the description. You can check it out, and also you can contact in the WhatsApp for more information regarding the mock test. So thank you guys for watching and all the best for exam. Thank you.